Hello friends, welcome back to a new episode of IBSLR.
What the fuck has happened to your hair?
Come on, man. Today we're going to look at my comments. I don't have that many comments. Well, let's look at my subreddit then. Yeah, I don't have a subreddit either. I liked this screenshot. You know, these videos are really random. They have some positive sides, like I can record whatever I want. But they also have some negative sides. Like, there is a risk that you don't like the content you are seeing. And that you don't like and comment and subscribe. But don't worry, I know where you live. I know where you live. My friends, I really don't know what content I can give you. That's why I made this whole series, IBSLR. I'm bored, so let's record.
Alright my friends, I have to pause the video right here. I don't know why I keep doing this strange thing with my fingers. Just don't pay attention to it in this video, alright? Thank you.
In these videos I can just drop you random content I decided to record. And that's it. But the problem is I don't have random content. I just don't know what to... I just don't know what to... I have to check this out.
I'm never going outside again. So then I decided to go outside again. Now I'm going to tell you the experiences I had outside. I found some interesting plants.
Знаешь, я дома посмотрю какой. Да, я не знаю. Это тоже не кусается. Это называется полынь по-русски.
And I decided to do like this strange challenge. I like hanging off stuff and I just decided to cross this bridge with my hands. And it was terrible. The edge was really sharp. And constantly there were tiny pieces of stone falling in my eyes. But I could not release my hands because if I did that I would fall on the bricks beneath, fall in the water and like probably break my leg. So it was extremely stupid of myself. And I totally recommend doing it. No, actually I can't say that. But yeah, thank you for watching
this video, and I will see you next time. What? No.